In this video we will be showing how to install the water cooling gas solid device. Below are the device parts. Main unit of the water cooling gas solid device. Stainless steel clamp. Ring hose and plastic tube both for the water cooling system. Graphite paper quartz tube, rubber ring, graphite plug. Graphite electrode rod, with no graphite ring attached. First, assemble the water cooling ring hose onto the graphite quartz tube. Then put in the rubber ring. Once done, repeat for the other side. After this is done, place the graphite plug to one end of the quartz tube. You can choose one or two. Then put the weighed sample in the quartz tube from the other side. Then closed it off with the graphite plug. After the sample is in the tube, put the graphite electrode rod in. Do the same for the other side as well. Once everything is in place, install it onto the main body of the fixture. Adjust the fixture distance as needed. Once in place, lock the knob lock. Then take the stainless steel clamps and secure it onto the quartz tube. Adjust the position of the water cooling ring as needed. After this, you can install the water cooling system. Connect the water cooling inlet first. Then connect the positions of each port along the direction of water flow. And finally, the water outlet. Once every tube is connected securely, a complete water cooling cycle is complete. If you want to use direct heating, replace one end's water cooling ring hose with this type. In addition, when installing samples, add extra graphite plugs near the stainless steel electrode rubber ring to prevent overheating and causing air leakage. Insert 2 plugs first, then put in the sample. Then, 3 more plugs on the stainless steel electrode side. Install the stainless steel water cooling ring hose. Then put in the rubber ring. Repeat for the other side. Insert the graphite electrode rod. Once everything is in place, install it onto the main body of the fixture. Adjust the fixture distance as needed. Once in place, lock the knob lock. Next, install the stainless steel clamp. Adjust the position of the water cooling ring, aligning the cooling ring with the water inlet direction. Other installation steps are the same as for indirect heating.